Hi, my name is Mark Struber and today we're going to be looking at superposition theorem. Superposition is an excellent tool to be used if you have multiple power sources and you'd like to analyse a circuit. So to use superposition, first we're going to select one power source and we'll remove all other power sources. When removing a voltage source, we'll replace it with a short circuit, and when replacing a current source, we'll replace it with an open circuit. From there, we're going to determine the currents arising as a result of the selected source. Repeat this for all other sources, and then with that data we're going to add the resulting voltage and currents arising from each source. So here I have an example. We've got two 9-volt power sources. I've selected my source here and I've applied a short circuit for the other source, and then I've used Ohm's law, the current divider rule, to then determine the current and the voltage drop across a 47 ohm resistor. I then calculated the current to be 25.4 milliamps and the voltage to be 1.2 volts. So applying this to our second source, again I've applied my short circuit, I've used Ohm's law and the current divider rule, and then I've calculated the current and the voltage drop across my 47 ohm resistor to be 46.7 milliamps and 2.2 volts. So with this data we're going to apply it back into our original circuit, and we can actually calculate the net current and the net voltage of I3 and the voltage drop across our 47 ohm resistor. And this was actually calculated to be 72.1 milliamps and 3.4 volts. So what we can now do is, with my breadboard here, prove this theorem. So I've just got the breadboard set up, and we'll first check the voltage across the 47 ohm resistor. We have 3.12. That's slightly lower than our 3.4, but that could be as a result of our batteries not being exactly 9 volts. And now we're just going to check our current. So I've just got set up to take the measurement for the current. I'll do that now. So we've got 66 or 65.7. Now that is a little bit less than our 72.1 milliamps, and that may be a result of our batteries not being at 9 volts. So with that in mind, this then proves the superposition theorem, and I hope it makes sense. Thank you very much for listening.